Hey guys, Lego Productions here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build this Lego flashlight. So, you might be wondering how I got it to be like a white glow, since Lego bricks are all yellow, but I'll get into that later. So anyway, it's a nice little flashlight, fits in your hand easily. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to build it. So, let me get the secret little light out thing really quick here. Okay. Because I'm going to show you guys that last. So, you're going to want to start with a 4x8 plate. Okay? Then you're going to put a 1x4 plate there. And then a 1x1 brick right there. Then I'm going to put a brick here and 2 layers of plate, okay? Then you're going to do the same on the other side. So that's really easy. Then you're going to get one of these 1x2 bricks with 2 holes and then put a 1x2 plate on the top and bottom. It's going to go right here. Yeah. Then for this, you're going to need a 1x2 brick with a hole, then a 1x2 plate on top. You're going to get a 1x4 axle, and then a 2x2 round brick, and then I'm just adding this just for decoration. I'm going to put that on. And then you're going to need one of these to go the other side. So just like that. So you've got plenty of space. It's going to go in right here. Then, to build this, you're going to need 1x2 with clips, and then 2 1x2s with bars, just like this. That's going to go on top of a 2x4 plate. And then you're going to put a 2x2 plate here. Then 2 1x2 plates underneath there. That's going to go right on that brick. And then this 2x4 plate is going to go right here. But I'm not going to do it yet because I need to put in the little light thing. So actually this light thing is a pen light. Part of a pen light. So it actually goes to this pen here. So I was just messing around with it and opened it and figured out that I could get it out and use it with my Legos. So one sec here. See, it's a little pen light. So yeah, I was playing with it and it fit perfectly into this, and I thought, well, why not make a Lego flashlight? So I did, and it is the perfect size. So now I know most of you are not gonna have this exact pen here, but maybe you have something like it. This is about 1x5, 1x5.5 studs about. So I just made a big one. So I'm gonna put that in there. But if you have like a pen light or something, then you can just put it in. It's this little button. It's perfect. I'm going to close that, put that in. There you go. You've got yourself a nice little flashlight. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe to see more awesome videos.